Hi everyone, we're here at Goctalab with my good friends, Gianna and Sergio. We're here to talk about their top 10 most sustainable practices that they use here at Goctalab. Top 10 most sustainable practices here at Goctalab. Number 1.
First of all, we've built everything with natural building methods like adobe mud bricks, quincha, which is to create a cavity with bamboo and fill it with rocks and mud, stone houses. We try to source our wood locally, which is getting increasingly hard.
Number 2.
Number 2 would be our agroforestry system, which is the way we are doing our sustainable agriculture, which is increasing biodiversity, creating a diverse habitat. We don't use any pesticides here. We compost with the same organic material we generate here, and we make plants take care of each other.
3.
Our green roof. Green roof is a very clear example of how unused spaces can be utilized, like what we've done in our workshop with the dragon fruits. And I think people in the cities can implement this idea so they can produce some of the fruit or the vegetables that they like in their own homes.
Number 4.
Passive solar system, using the sun's energy to heat and cool your houses. Here we face our massive windows north, so during the day it collects sun on our thick adobe walls, and at night times it starts slowly releasing it, balancing the temperature of the house.
Number 5.
Number 5 will be food self-sufficiency. That's very important in Goctalab. Our goal will be to be self-sufficient in the next year and a half, 2 years from now, because we receive a lot of people, our residents, our tourists. The most important thing here is to serve them organic food that we grow here. We have our coffee field, so coffee that we serve on the table is coming from this place. Our vegetables, fruits. We have bananas, we have papaya, blueberries, we have spinach, lettuce, all the veggies.
Wow.
I mean, we're making...
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Number 6.
Biodigester system is how we treat our sewage, which we also keep it in a closed circle. The waste from the toilets go to these biodigester tanks, where the solids go to the bottom and the liquids mixed with water overflow on the top through a channel to a pond, which is a banana circle. The roots of the bananas act as a filter and they clean this water. For the solid, every 2 years we open a valve and the solids come out. We put them in another concrete box where they stay for 3 months, and after those 3 months you can grab it with your hand, and this is pure fertilizer. Our live seed bank. I was doing research on seed banks on how to protect biodiversity and genetical material, but then I came to a conclusion that it's in this environment, which is so favorable for agriculture, to have the actual plants alive, having them producing seeds. In this way we're trying to maximize biodiversity and conserving this species, which is one of our biggest threats at the moment, the loss of biodiversity.
Number 8.
Archaeological remnants that we had here. We found one old terrace which we refurbished, and we created more terraces, replicating the systems the locals used to use to maximize agriculture space on slopes. So we reintroduce these terrace systems based on what we found here. We've also found an old site from a house, so we decided to just clean it, keep it as a place for meditation or
For ghost stories.
Ghost stories.
Number 9.
Closed circle systems. For example, we do ceramic classes. We keep it closed in the sense that we source our clay from the land next to the workshop. We use the knowledge from old ladies from the area to process this and turn it into something. We cook them on an oven that we built with natural materials here, and then we produce a product that can help the economy of the place.
Number 10.
We're trying to create a comfortable space with these closed systems, and to prove that they are not a hippie thing or it is uncomfortable to live. It is actually, you can live comfortably, consuming less, and helping the planet.
That's a really good message. So from all of this, what is your message to the world?
We drastically need to change our relations with energy and our impact, and to take responsibility of our everyday acts. Garbage doesn't disappear when you throw it, okay?
No.
It's going somewhere. This garbage is going somewhere. So we recycle, we take care of this, we upcycle it. Sewer, your shit is not going to the space, it's going somewhere, and usually to the oceans. Okay, we're taking responsibility of that here.
We need to consume less.
Yeah.
That's something that we have to teach everyone. People consume too much in cities. We are trying to consume the least possible, and what we consume is what we grow here.
What brings you the most joy every day?
My dogs. My dogs are great. Yes. You know, waking up and having this view and having your dogs around you is like priceless.
The view is
The
here.
View,
Spot
green, like good weather all year long.
Nature.
Nature, animals, the sound of the birds, no cars, you know? That's great.
Sergio?
I get really excited when people apply things they've seen here. Could be like they suddenly say, oh, I can make an adobe house that actually looks good. So I'll make an adobe house. Or people learn about the composting system and they're like, oh, I can make a compost at home.
Well, thank you so much for talking with us today.
Thank you guys
Thank
for
you.
visiting us.
Yes.
Follow her channel and follow us on Instagram.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Ciao for now. Whoa! She's super pissed off. Is that cutie? Did you see that?